Students, in this video we will start our next topic, marketing management. So we have understood what is marketing. It is a social process in which a marketer offers his product to the buyer to satisfy the needs and wants by adopting various methods and tactics. Marketing management means management of all the activities related to marketing. As we have discussed in chapter number 1, my management is also a process of planning, organizing, directing and controlling. Here staffing is not included as it's a next chapter, marketing management. So if a marketer is performing all such functions for what? Related to the marketing of his goods and services. So that process will be known as marketing management. It means he is planning about his product, how I will sell the product. Organizing, he is arranging all the raw materials, tools, equipments and many other things. Directing, he is also giving the instructions to his employees and co-workers who will help him in selling the product. Controlling, he is checking whether the product is being sold as per the objective was set up or not. It means everything that he is doing related to marketing or for the sale of his goods and services is known as marketing management. You can also write this definition: process of developing strategies and planning selling and goods and services is known as marketing management. So there are some philosophies that we have to consider. It means the different types of philosophies, different thinking a seller may have to sell his product. So we have 5 marketing philosophies. First is production concept. The companies who follow this concept believes that inexpensive and easily available products are easy to sell irrespective of quality. What they think? They think that if the product is cheap and it is easily available, then it will be very easy for us to sell the product. They don't think about the quality. Okay, so their main focus is on lowering cost of production through large scale of production. What they think कि अगर हम large scale of production करेंगे, it means production को large scale पर करेंगे, as we have also discussed in microeconomics, it will give you the benefit of economies of scale. Okay, economies of scale. So the unit of the per unit cost of production will get less. So it will lower the cost of production and the price of your product will also be low. So it will be easy to sell the product. They think जितना सस्ता हमारा product होगा उतना ही ज्यादा उसे आप सेल कर पाओगे. क्वालिटी मैटर नहीं करती है उन लोगों के लिए जो इस कॉन्सेप्ट को फॉलो करेंगे. बट इसका कुछ ड्रॉबैक भी है दैट कस्टमर्स नॉट ऑलवेज बाय इजीली अवेलेबल एंड इनएक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट. कुछ कस्टमर्स होते हैं वो आर क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस, उनके लिए प्राइस मैटर नहीं करता है. तो जिनके लिए प्राइस मैटर नहीं करेगा वो क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस होंगे और वो इस कॉन्सेप्ट के जो भी कंपनीज हैं जो इनको फॉलो कर रही हैं उनका प्रोडक्ट नहीं परचेज करेंगे. Okay, is it clear? Now product concept. Second one is product concept. What these companies believe? Sale can increase by providing high quality product. It means they think कि जितना ज्यादा क्वालिटी अच्छा होगा हमारे प्रोडक्ट का, प्रोडक्ट की सेल उतनी ही ज्यादा इंक्रीज होगी. ये बिल्कुल इनसे ऑपोजिट है. इन्होंने क्या सोचा था कि प्रोडक्ट जितना चीप होगा, इनएक्सपेंसिव होगा, क्वालिटी मैटर नहीं करती, तो हमारी सेल उतनी ही ज्यादा इंक्रीज होगी. लेकिन ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्या कहता है कि प्राइस चाहे हम ज्यादा रख सकते हैं, बट इफ द क्वालिटी ऑफ योर प्रोडक्ट इज वेरी मच गुड एज कम्पेयर टू योर कम्पेटिटर्स, तो आपकी सेल ऑलमोस्ट इंक्रीज हो सकती है. तो इनका मेन फोकस किस पे होता है? गुड क्वालिटी एंड फीचर्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. दे ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव देयर क्वालिटी एज मच एज दे कैन एंड दे ट्राई टू एड सम फीचर्स विच इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ your competitor. If your product is of good quality and it has different features which is not available in any other product, then you will be able to sell your product very much easily. But this concept also has some drawback. Good quality is not enough. Customer will buy only when they need it. It means if you are offering a very much good quality product but it is not enough, you must see that whether customer is in need to buy that product or not. If he is not able to buy or he don't want to buy a product, then quality doesn't matter for him. See? Third concept is selling concept. To sell whatever is produced. These type of sellers think that don't see what customers want, don't think about quality, don't think about price. Produce whatever you want to produce, then you must have the quality to sell whatever is being produced. It means customer would not buy or not buy enough unless they are convinced or motivated. इनका मानना क्या होता है कि जब तक आप अपने प्रोडक्ट को सेल करने के लिए अलग अलग प्रमोशनल टेक्निक्स लाइक एडवर्टीजमेंट, पर्सनल सेलिंग और अदर मेथड्स नहीं अडॉप्ट करोगे तो आपका प्रोडक्ट सेल नहीं होगा. आप कुछ भी बनाइए, कुछ भी प्रोड्यूस करिए, बट टू सेल यू हैव टू यूज सम प्रमोशनल टेक्निक्स. ठीक है, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर्स फोकस ऑन यूजिंग प्रमोशनल टेक्निक टू सेल प्रोडक्ट बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक. ओके, quality and price doesn't matter. You must have the quality to persuade the customer by using different techniques. But the drawback here is sometimes customers did not get motivated through techniques also if they prefer to buy. It means जैसे अभी मैंने example दिया, if you want to buy an iPhone only, so if Samsung or Micromax and any other company wants to offer you some discounts or any other schemes, you will not be get convinced because you only want to buy iPhone only. तो जो एक कस्टमर अगर पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड को ही प्रेफर करता है, उन कस्टमर्स के साथ ये कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ज्यादा फॉलो हम लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं, मार्केटर फॉलो नहीं कर सकता है. नाउ आवर फोर्थ कॉन्सेप्ट इज मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट. व्हाट इज द फोकस ऑफ दिस कॉन्सेप्ट? प्रोड्यूस एंड सेल व्हाट कंज्यूमर्स वांट. इट मीन्स प्रोड्यूस एंड सेल. पहला कॉन्सेप्ट क्या बोल रहा था? सेल वो करिए जो प्रोड्यूस आपने कर दिया है. इट मीन्स जो भी प्रोड्यूस कर दिया है वो सेल होगा. बट ये लोग क्या मानते हैं कि प्रोड्यूस ही वो प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए व्हाट एग्जैक्टली कस्टमर्स वांट. इट मीन्स यू हैव टू एनालाइज, यू हैव टू रिसर्च दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली कस्टमर्स वांट. इफ यू विल able to manufacture that product only, then it will be very easy to sell that product in the market. So what is the belief? Product should be designed and produced according to the needs of customer. Product को डिजाइन और प्रोड्यूस ही उसके अकॉर्डिंग करिए जो कि कंज्यूमर की नीड है. सो व्हाट इज द मेन फोकस? कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन बाय प्रोड्यूसिंग अ प्रोडक्ट विच सेटिस्फाई कस्टमर need. Okay, if you will produce that product as per the need of the customer, then it will be very easy to sell the product. ठीक, so first you have to analyze the market, then you have to design the product as per the needs of the customer, then you will produce that product, then it will be very easy to sell that product. So what are the marketing concepts pillars? Identify target market or customers. It means what you have to do to follow this concept. First of all, you have to identify target market. Target market means what is the target, which type of customers you want to target. For example, young ones, old ones, or the child products you want to manufacture. So you have to identify the market, which type of product you want to manufacture. After that, you have to analyze their needs. For example, you want to manufacture some product for children's, for small babies. So you have to identify the needs, what their parents exactly need for their product. After analyzing the need, you have to develop a product. अब आपको जो नीड आपको दिखी कस्टमर्स की, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप एक प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करोगे. डेवलप करने के बाद ट्राई टू सेटिस्फाई नीड्स बेटर देन कंपेटिटर्स. जरूरी तो नहीं है आपका प्रोडक्ट बिल्कुल यूनिक है, हो सकता है और ऐसा पॉसिबल होता है मोस्ट प्रोबेबली कि वही प्रोडक्ट आपका कंपेटिटर भी मार्केट में सेल कर रहा है पहले से. सो what you have to do, you have to satisfy the needs better than your competitors so that consumers will prefer your product only. Next, after satisfying the needs, main objective क्या होना चाहिए आपका? To earn profit. Every marketer, every seller is what they are doing. Why they are selling the product? Just to earn profit. So it is the process of marketing concept. If you follow this process, you will able to sell your product easily. Now next concept is societal marketing concept. In this company believe while fulfilling the needs and wants of potential customers, social, ethical and ecological aspects of marketing should also be considered. It means they oppose this concept. It means they think that only the customer needs are not to be seen. The social, ethical and ecological aspects are also need to be considered. It means whether this product is eco-friendly or not, whether they are opposing the ecological balances or not. It means, for example, a customer is having drugs. So it means if you are following marketing concept, it means you will manufacture drugs. But what this concept says, that drug is not a good product. It is not an eco-friendly product, it will harm the health of the customer. So you should see before manufacturing the product whether the product which a customer wants is of satisfaction with ecological, ethical boundaries of our society or not. It should fulfill both aspects. It is as per the needs of the customers also, and it should not oppose any social, ethical and ecological aspects. इको फ्रेंडली भी होना चाहिए, किसी की हेल्थ को हार्म नहीं करना चाहिए और हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को भी उससे कोई नेगेटिव इफेक्ट नहीं हो, और वो प्रोडक्ट अगर कस्टमर्स की नीड का भी है, तो अगर आप दोनों चीजों को देख के जो कंपनी प्रोडक्ट बनाती है, दैट टाइप ऑफ कंपनीज आर फॉलोइंग सोसाइटल मार्केटिंग concept. So students, next topic we will consider in the next video. Thank you.